Hello everyone! Today, I'm going to show you how to upgrade your Wisely card. Upgrading is straightforward but requires identity verification. First, log in to your My Wisely account and click Upgrade Card next to your balance. Review your contact information and confirm. Next, enter your date of birth and social security number. Prepare a government-issued photo ID and a selfie. Choose to receive instructions via email or text. Follow the secure link to accept the biometric screening consent. Upload your photo ID, take a selfie, and submit both for review. Make sure to complete this process within 14 days to avoid account closure. Once submitted, a Wisely representative will verify your identity. And that's it. That's how to upgrade your Wisely card. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.